Creating customized Facebook images. In this module, we'll learn how to create customized Facebook images. This image, which you can see on your screen, is our example. Imagine if you can create this sort of branded images on a daily basis. How cool is that? Now, once you start creating this kind of Facebook post and you start updating your fan page on a daily basis, or your personal account with these kinds of posts, you'll stand out as a marketer. Not only that, you can also start attracting a lot of people because people see you as someone who is different in a positive way. In these images, you can put famous quotes or some kind of daily tips. And also, if you're smart enough, you can slip your Facebook fan page, your website, and your company details, like website URL, just to attract people towards your opportunity. Outsourcing someone to create these kind of images could easily cost you $5 to $15. But today, I'll show you how to create these kind of images free of cost. We're going to use www.canva.com. And you'll be able to create beautiful images very easily. Now, let me quickly jump in Canva and show you. Once you click on Canva, you'll see an area which says Create a Design. And under that, simply select Facebook Post. Once you do, you'll be taken inside the back office of Canva, and you'll see a lot of designs at the left side of the screen already done for you, just needing a little bit of customization on your part. The cool thing is, the size of this image is already optimized for Facebook, so no need to worry about changing anything there. Now, let me show you this example because I love this particular picture. Once the picture loads, you just have to click over the area you want to change. In this example, let's start with the text. Let's say I want to use this image for a course called Facebook Enigma. Let me just type Facebook Enigma over here. In your case, you could be putting some quotes or quick tips here. Then, if you want to change this portion over here, just move the cursor over here and type the content you want. If you want to add a website URL, just click over the text area you want to put it, and then edit. You can customize the font, the color, and the size as well. Use these options to make your graphic elements stand out. You can also change the background by selecting the background pane at the left side of the screen. You can choose from free and paid options. Also, you can adjust the angles of the elements present in your image by clicking on it. Then click over the counterclockwise arrow below the element, which says Rotate this element, and simply hold and rotate. Once you're happy with your design, you're now ready to download it. Simply go over at the upper right hand of the screen and click on Download. You can either choose JPG or PNG format. Both work, so you can choose any of the two. And all you have to do next is upload that image to your Facebook account or fan page. Do this on a daily basis, and you'd be filling your Facebook account with high-quality, cool posts very easily. Canva even allows you to create your Facebook cover page, and again, it's point-and-click simple. You can even charge people for Facebook graphic services. I believe that this particular tool is going to be very, very helpful for you to brand yourself on Facebook, have daily updates, and all this cool stuff. It'll mean that you can also save a lot of money, right? So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy this stuff, implement, and see you on the next module.